In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a musical note icon in Figma quickly and easily using a free plugin. This is a super simple method, and it's perfect if you want to add music-related icons to a design, build a playlist UI, create a music app mockup, or just speed up your workflow without drawing the icon from scratch. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Figma tips, and let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and make sure you're inside the design area. At the bottom toolbar, click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of useful tools, shortcuts, and plugins that can help you work faster. Once the Actions menu opens, click Plugins and Widgets. This will take you to the section where you can search for tools made by the community, including icon libraries and design helpers. Now, in the search bar, type Iconify and run it. Iconify is one of the best free plugins for finding icons inside Figma because it gives you access to a huge library of symbols and visual assets. After the plugin opens, you'll see a search bar inside Iconify. Type musical note into the search field and press enter. Figma will now show you a list of musical note icons in different styles, so you can choose the one that best fits your design. Take a moment to browse the results and find the icon that matches your layout, whether you want something simple, outlined, filled, or more detailed. Once you find the musical note icon you want, click it and then drag and drop it directly onto your canvas. From there, you can resize it, change the color, and position it anywhere in your design. And that's it, you've now created a musical note icon in Figma using Iconify in just a few steps. This is one of the fastest ways to add clean icons to your project without wasting time searching the web or rebuilding graphics manually. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.